Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to check if your drivers are up to date in Windows 11 and 10. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's jump right in. Press Windows and X and select Device Manager from the menu. Scroll through the list and find the category of the device you want to check. For example, expand Display Adapters to check your graphics card driver. Right-click on the device, then click Properties. Go to the Driver tab to see the driver version and the installation date. Click Update Driver. Then, select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for updates online and install them if available. Open Settings by pressing Windows and I. Then go to Update and Security. Click Check for updates to see if any driver updates are included. For critical devices, go to the manufacturer's website. Search for the latest drivers using your device's model name. Download and install them manually if needed. For example, if you're updating your graphics card driver, go to the NVIDIA website. Navigate to the Drivers section and enter the required details, like your graphics card model, such as an NVIDIA GeForce TX 1660, your operating system, and PC specifications. After filling in the details, click Search to find the latest driver. Download the file and run the installer to update your driver manually. And that's it. Now you know how to check and update your drivers on Windows 11 and 10.